I think it's pretty safe to assume that most of us have used Google before, but I don't think that a lot of us know that we can use Google to make a lot of money online. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of people use Google for random searches and they're not getting paid any money at all for doing that. But there are a select number of people who are taking advantage of this Google trick right now and they're making a lot of money online. In this video, I'll be revealing the secret by showing you everything, step by step, for absolutely free. And by using this trick, you can make a lot of money online from anywhere in the world for absolutely free. This is actually a very simple method that you will absolutely love. But before we start, welcome to Side Hustle from Home, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Here is the website that we'll be using. MindSumo is a creative problem-solving platform for students worldwide. With a community of 250,000 students from 3,000 universities, MindSumo enables students to work hard while polishing their problem-solving skills and earn from the same. If we combine this with Google, then we can make tons of cash. Now pay attention, because I want to show you exactly how much money you could potentially earn with this website. Just take a look at this list right here. So many opportunities to earn thousands of dollars. If we keep scrolling down, you might just begin to think that there are literally unlimited opportunities where you can use this trick and you can make thousands of dollars over and over again. All you need is the simple Google tool. I can assure you that this is definitely a legit website. They have partnered with some of the biggest brands online. Take a look at the brand names that have partnered with MindSumo. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Now on top of the home page on this website, I want you to go and click on this button over here. You'll have to click I'm a problem solver. Now I want you to click on this button on top, log in or sign up. Click on this and this is where you can sign up for a free account. Click on I don't have an account yet. Then come over to this page where you can put in your first name, your last name, your location, email address and your password, then choose your birth date and your gender. Now for the following scale areas. I highly recommend you to choose above average on these three scales and make sure you check the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click on I'm not a robot. Then, you can just go on and click on this blue sign up button. Once you're done, you can log into your account, and right away you can see that there are a ton of different projects and challenges that you can join, and through those, you can make a lot of money online. You can see here the many different categories that they offer. You see computer science, food science, business, and even engineering, and there are others too. Now we can set all of those aside because I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science. Simply click on computer science and the website is just going to filter out and show you all of the projects and challenges relating to computer science. Now, these projects and challenges are going to pay you the highest amount of money. As you can see here, for example, this project right here, it will pay you this much money and all you have to do is go ahead and click on that link. You're then going to be brought over to this page where they're going to ask you this question. So you can just write an answer, submit it, and then you're going to get paid by doing just that here. We can see that there are a lot of submissions and that there are people who get paid by submitting an answer on this website, and you can do exactly the same thing as well. Here's the simple Google trick that I've been talking about. I want you to go back to Google and search for Google Docs. Now just click on the first link, which is Google Docs free online documents. It will then take you to this page where you can start a blank document. You can actually start typing your answer on this Google document and then you can submit this one. So you can make money online by submitting a Google document with your answers to this question. You can actually make a lot of money. Now you don't have to worry because this is going to be a very easy method. Go back to mindsumo.com, then highlight this question and copy. Then we're going to go back to Google and paste the keyword. Then search. Now Google will help us find the answer to this question. We can see a result from Quora.com right here. We can just click on that link and it'll take us to Quora.com where people post answers to a lot of different questions. Hopefully, right here we can find a good answer to the question so that we can submit that to make money online. Once we find a good enough answer, all we have to do is just go ahead and highlight it, then copy, and then we go back to our Google Docs. Then, we're going to paste the answer right here. Now we can just leave that for a bit while we go back to Google. Now, what we're going to do is look for more different answers that we can combine and submit when we do that. We can actually come up with a very professional answer that we can then submit on MindSumo.com. The trick is to just look for cohesive points from answers that we can find through searching on Google and put them all together on this Google Doc. It really is that easy. We can repeat this over and over again and get all of the answers from different websites and just paste everything in Google Docs. Now listen up, because this is a bonus step for you. Make sure to change the title of your Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge, then include the title of the question. Let's just go back to MindSumo.com and then we're going to copy the question and paste it as the title of the Google Doc. Now for the body of the Google Doc. We are going to make the font size larger so that it looks longer. I'm going to center this document, then put a little spacing down below and proof, read the rest of the text. If you have more answers to the question here, just add it in. Now, once you're finished making your answer, you can just go ahead and click on the file, then click download. You have to make sure that you choose PDF document when you download it. Just click on this link right here and it will download onto your computer. But you can do this on your phone as well. Of course. Now, once that is done, we can see how very professional looking it all is, very much worthy to be submitted to the MindSumo Challenge. And really that's it. This is how you can start making money online by taking advantage of this new Google trick for MindSumo.com. Keep all of that in mind because there are plenty of different challenges and projects that you can join. And that's it. This has been Side Hustle from Home. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.